And also, congratulations. We heard the good news about Mutya ng Pilipinas. You're back in the beauty pageant scene.
Yes.
What made you decide to accept this responsibility?
I've already done an international pageant. Been there, done that. But I've not been able to fulfill my dream to really search for that one girl or several women in the Philippines who are there in the very corners of our provinces and towns and barrios. I want to discover her.
Ayaw mo sila pumunta sa'yo, ikaw pupunta sa
Kami ang
kanila.
pupunta sa kanila.
Pero in fairness naman po, nung nag-start kayo sa Miss World, talagang nag-search kayo sa probinsya din. Diba?
But we did that to just spread the word. But actually, most of them came from Manila.
Kamusta naman po? Paano in-offer sa inyo yung Mutya ng Pilipinas?
Actually, matagal na akong inaawitan. Hindi lamang ng Mutya, pati na rin yung Asia Pacific. At sabi ko, magpapahinga muna ako. Kasi talaga, hindi biro ang mag-manage ng isang beauty pageant. Pero ang maganda dito, ang kagandahan ng Mutya ay iba ang konsepto po namin. Hindi lamang kami maghahanap ng beauty queen. So, abangan ang press ko.
Kamusta po yung kamusta po kayo dun sa dating mga franchise holders? Wala namang bad blood whatsoever. It was turned over peacefully.
Ay, alam kung kilala po ninyo ako, kung talagang sasabihin nyo na kilala ko si Connie Quirino, I'm all about love and light. I want love
and health.
I want life to be filled with laughter and love and friendship. Ganun yun, kasi that's the very heart of wellness.
And not only that, how do you find naman Arnold, who took over your Miss World franchise?
To tell you the truth, I bumped into Arnold once or twice already, and he seems to be doing all right. And he's happy about that. That's good.
Ayan. And yun na lang po, no, yung aabangan ng mga fans ng Mutya ng Pilipinas. And of course, ano pong hahanapin nyo sa isang Mutya ng Pilipinas candidate ngayon na it's under your wing?
Siguro ang hahanapin nila ay hindi lamang maging kandidata ng isang pageant, kundi pati na rin ma-discover siya para sa kanyang mga iba't ibang talento. So there will be other searches for women who can sing, can dance, can act. Because hindi lahat ng kagandahan ay beauty pageant. Sorry.
Beauty pageant.
Hindi lahat ng beauty ng Pilipinas ay para sa beauty pageant.
True. And
because women can shine in other ways.
that's true. Have you spoken to Catriona when she was in town?
You know, I haven't seen Catriona. She's so busy. To be Miss Universe is probably to be the busiest beauty queen in the world. So, aminado ako dyan. Number one talaga.
Thank you.